How to follow someone on Roblox. In this guide video, I'll walk you through steps on how can you follow someone on Roblox. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing first, you want to make sure to install a Roblox application. If it is completely installed, then you have to make sure to check for an update. So go to your respective app store and check for an update. After which, click the open button or play and you will be directed to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. And here you want to go to friends, which is right over here. In order to add friends, you could go ahead and click on the search bar tool and type in their name. And once you're done typing in, just click the arrow icon and look for the person that you want to follow. So what you need to do is scroll down and click on view full profile. Once you do it so, you will be taken to this page. Here you want to click on the three dot icon and then you want to click on follow. Once you do it so, you'll be able to follow them on Roblox. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.